Good morning everyone, my name is Samita. I am from grade 2. Today I am doing inEno experiment. Materials required: spoons, biscuits, inEno powder, 2 glasses and water. First we should pour the water in 2 glasses. Then in 1 water we should mix the inEno powder.
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Now we should put biscuits in 2 glasses. Now see the difference between 2 glasses.
Explain. I will mix the.
Now I am mixing the biscuits in 2 glasses. Now here the biscuit is coming up in the inEno water, and in normal water the biscuit is mixed. So the inEno has sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like and share.